Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today we are going to see making of mango custard recipe. Vermicelli mango custard is one of the best summer refreshing dessert, delicious and mouth-watering recipe that everyone loves to have more and more. Summer special dessert for mango lovers, must try. First, prepare the mango jelly according to the package direction and set aside. Once it's done, transfer to the glass container and let it cool. We need 1 tablespoon of basil seeds, soak it with 1/4 cup of water, milk 1/2 cup, mango custard powder I'm using here. You can always use the regular vanilla custard powder if you don't have it. I'm using 2.5 tablespoons. Mix it well and keep it aside. Boil 1 liter of milk and you can add sugar and stir it well. Once it comes to a boil, you can add custard powder and mix with milk and continue stir. Next, we need to prepare the vermicelli according to the package direction. I'm using 1/2 cup of vermicelli here, colored one. You can use the regular one as well. Boil the water. Once it's boiled, you can add the vermicelli and cook. Once it's done, you can strain the water and add 1 cup of cold water and set aside. For this recipe, we are using 2 ripe mangoes. I chopped the mangoes and I'm saving some for the later use. Once the milk custard is cold, you can add it to the blender and add the chopped mangoes and blend until smooth. Transfer to a bowl and you can add cooked vermicelli, chopped mangoes, add soaked basil seeds, cut the jelly into small cubes and then you can add it to the mix. Once you added all the ingredients, you can give it a Mix it well until everything combined together, and then refrigerate for at least 2 to 4 hours before serving. Here we have our mango custard dessert is ready to serve now. It's easy to make, it's creamy, thick, smooth, full of mango flavors and extra taste added with custard powder. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you try this mango custard recipe at your home and enjoy. I'll see you soon back with another recipe. Bye. Take care.